everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to for a night out. Actually, we are going. So yes, we are waiting for the cab, and yes, we are going to the Burgos Street, which is known by the very ambient nightlife. So yes, let's get started. So guys, we made our plan to visit the Burgos Street and then the Flavors restaurant, which is actually Indian origin restaurant. So we want to have Indian cuisine in our dinner. So we are in the Burgos Street, and yes, this is the Flavor restaurant which I was talking about. So here you can find the number of Indian and Turkish restaurant, just like Hoisin and the Turkish restaurant. I don't remember the name of the restaurant, but I have visited the restaurant and the food was very tasty. Yes, guys, we reached here at Flavors restaurant. So it's a home-based kitchen, but it also gives you the vibe of the club and restaurants. Yes, we are here and we are going to enter. Hi.
Hello sir, good evening po.
So welcome all to the Flavor Indian restaurant, and this is the interior. And we have ordered, you know what we have ordered? This is the mutton biryani. So at beginning I was in a very dilemma that it should be a very tasty, it should be a touch up of the Indian taste. But you know what happened? I'm gonna share with you. So when I took a bite of this biryani, it was too tasty, unbelievable. And after that we enjoyed this beautiful belly dance. So she was too beautiful and she danced very well. I mean, she was literally enjoying to all of us. Everyone was having like enjoy at the time. And yes, how beautifully she danced. Oh my god, look at her, guys. So you know, I mean, she was continuously dancing here because I was just shooting, and you know what actually touched my heart? While performing her dance, she was continuously smiling. This was a very hilarious moment for me. So you know, everyone was staring at her. And guys, you know what happened when it was a time to order to. So I was actually discussing with my husband that I don't want to have this biryani. I don't know how would be the taste. So I actually wanted to order the chola bhatura. Maybe you know it's chickpeas. So I really wanted to have the chola bhatura in dinner, but somewhere in his mind he actually planned that he want to have mutton biryani because it was a long time we didn't have a mutton. I mean, for a long time. So he really wanted to have this mutton biryani, and you know guys, it was really very very tasty. I mean, yes, I was discussing with him. Yeah, you did a great job while ordering this. What actually like you the most when you eat this Indian food? You actually feel that you are really in Indian restaurant. You feel that you are now in India. You don't suppose that yeah, you are in Philippines. And it was not done. We really wanted to order the next actually because my husband was not full yet. So actually I was saying to him that what should be order next because my tummy was absolutely full. I don't want to eat now anything. So yeah, I was actually deciding that what should I order now. So somewhere we mutually decide to order this aloo chaat. कैसे लगा खाना? बहुत अच्छा था खाना, बहुत मस्त था. और मटन के पीस इट वॉज टू स्मूथ, इट वॉज टू टेस्टी. वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड द मटन बिरयानी एंड इट कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ mutton pieces, and it was too spicy because we have ordered a very spicy biryani. So it was too tasty and it was very affordable, and it cost us $5.95. So it was full of this handi. So I mean the quantity was sufficient for us, for both of us. And now we have ordered the next order for the aloo chaat. Is it aloo chaat? So we have ordered the next order, aloo chaat. So I'm gonna show you how does it look actually. So yeah, let's. And this is the aloo chaat that comes with the samosa, and there's a stuffing of potato, and this is the curd and the green chutney. So it was very delicious. I mean it has a taste of sour and sweet, little sweet, and not spicy, I think. So it was a combination of all the tastes. So I really like this next order. So पहले खा लो, बहुत यम्मी है. इसी में खाना शुरू कर दिया. इसी में खा लो, अब रहना दो उसको. नहीं, वो उसको तो ग्रेवी लगी है ना. चम्मच ले लो वाला. वैसे सही है ना, ये भी बढ़िया बना है. मुझे प्रियलक्ष्मी पूछ रही थी तो फ्लेवर्स का खाना अच्छा लगता है.
किसका फ्लेवर? यहाँ का मतलब? अच्छा.
मैंने कहा
फिर
फ्लेवर्स का खाना तो हमेशा अच्छा लगा हम लोग को.
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
मुझे लगता है ना वो थोड़ा उधर रहती तो उसको ज़्यादा ये इधर आती भी नहीं होगी.
तो उसको क्या बोली फिर?
And we were so full, so we took a lot of time to finish this aloo chaat. While it was so tasty, and this is how we really enjoyed our weekend night, by enjoying this beautiful dance of two Filipino. And yeah, it was a very mesmerizing moment. This is the dance of the another Filipino dancer. So she was actually dancing very elegantly, and we enjoyed a lot. And yes, please share your love in the comment section. And yes, if you have any suggestion, don't forget to write down in a comment box. And yes, I mean I really enjoyed a lot, and if you enjoy, or if you are also enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. So this is the interior. This is actually a bar. So here you can find a number of Filipino customer also who enjoy the Indian cuisine also, and there were also like American based customer also sitting here. So I mean, if this is the Indian origin restaurant, it doesn't mean that they are only come Indian. No, so they actually serve a very good taste of the food. So have enjoy. If you are new, just go and visit this restaurant. Please take care. Bye.